Excel Workbook and the Use of English, Grade 5, Models 1D, E, F. Exercises from 1 to 5, page 10. Exercise 1. Fill in. The first sentence. The London Eye is a huge steel and glass wheel. The second. We have a great view from our windows. The third. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark. The fourth. The building is 100 meters from top to bottom. The fifth. The British Museum is a popular tourist attraction in London. Exercise 2. Choose the correct response. The first. Where is the bedroom? It's upstairs. The second. Is Anna here? Yes, she's in her room. The third. Your room is great. Yes, it is big. The fourth. You've got a computer in your room. Yes, and a TV. The fifth. That's my guitar. Fantastic. Exercise 3. Use the sentences to complete the dialogue. Hello, Mrs. Brown. Is Mark here? Yes, he's in his room. Thanks. Hi, Mark. Your room is great. Hi, Steve. Yes, it's really big. You've got a TV, a DVD player, and a computer. Whose is this guitar? It's my brother's. You are very lucky. You've got everything in your room. Exercise 4. Write a new dialogue about your bedroom. Use the dialogue in Exercise 3 as a model. Hello, Mrs. Gray. Is Sherry here? Yes, she is in her room. Thanks. Hi, Sherry. Your room is great. Hi, Cindy. Yes, it's really big. You've got an MP3 player, a computer, and a DVD player. Whose skateboard is this? It's my sister's. You are very lucky. You've got everything in your room. Exercise 5. Listen and feel in the furniture, parts of a room. What is a bedroom like? It's quite big. Describe it to me. Okay, well, my bed is next to the window and my desk is behind the door. My chair is in front of my desk and there is a lamp on the desk. My wardrobe is opposite the door and my bookcase is next to the wardrobe. I love my room.